Karnataka Chief Minister Basavaraj Bommai on Tuesday said that he has the strength to work tirelessly for 365 days without any rest, and his target was to bring BJP back to power after the 2023 polls. The Chief Minister's statement came amid speculations that he was suffering from a serious knee ailment and was likely to fly overseas soon for treatment. Neha Hibbale joining us with more inputs on this. Neha, this is again a strong statement coming from the Chief Minister. But interestingly, there were speculations around Basavaraj Bommai's exit and also now over the issue of his health and treatment. Tell us more about, has the CM really tried to downplay his health concerns?
Afrida, at this point, it's imperative to remember that the politics in Karnataka over here is taking an interesting turn. While there were rumors of Chief Minister Basavaraj Bommai's exit over here, we saw members from within the BJP itself suggesting it. We saw, of course, the top leadership, as usual, denying it, be it Arun Singh, be it Nalin Kumar Katir, be it Prahlad Joshi, all of them, all the top leadership over here ruled out this change in leadership, change of the Chief Minister. And today also, again, we're seeing the Karnataka Chief Minister reiterating what he's been saying all along. But this time, let's tell you that he's worded it very interestingly. He's saying that he has the power to work for another 365 days, that he would be dedicating a minimum of about 15 hours every day, yes, and suggesting that he would not be traveling abroad anywhere for his knee surgery. Let's tell you that it was only a couple of weeks back that the Karnataka Chief Minister himself got quite emotional in Shigaon, where he was addressing a crowd, where he very categorically went on to mention that, nothing is permanent and that he's very well aware of the fact that no post is permanent, suggesting that he might be on his way out. But what you're hearing from him today, about the fact that he's not going anywhere for his knee surgery, that he is going to continue in his office for 365 days, that he has the power, also coupled with what Arun Singh yesterday, in fact, said, the BJP's state in charge over here, also said that Karnataka Chief Minister would continue for, a good long term at least, and that he's been delivering good work. This coming on a very important day when the BJP over here is, in fact, holding the state executive meeting in Hubli district of Karnataka, where the works also of Chief Minister Basavaraj Bommai over the past 5 years is going to be reviewed.
All right. Stay with us, Neha. We are coming back to you with more updates from Karnataka. And here's the latest we are breaking to you. 5 lakh vials likely to be wasted. Now, Karnataka state government bans the use of open vaccine vials. Once opened, vax vials to be used in 4 hours. With the new policy now coming in, 5 lakh vials may get wasted in Karnataka. Neha, on this as well, if you can throw more light, because this is not a small wastage. I mean, we are talking about lakhs here, 5 lakhs to be precise, will be wasted if the Karnataka government's policy is to be followed.
That's absolutely right, Afrida. The Karnataka government, when we spoke to them about this, said that they're merely following the centre's open vial policy. Let's tell you that, in fact, the Karnataka private hospitals over here in the state had actually raised this concern in the month of September itself, when they said that they had almost about 6 or 7 lakh vials that were going to get wasted, that were expiring by the month of December. And now, as we are in the month of December, with just a few days left to go, we're seeing the private hospitals again raising this concern. Let's tell you that in talks with Bharat Biotech, the private hospitals over here in Karnataka were given the choice of possibly extending the shelf life and changing the manufacturing, the labeling of the existing vials and, allowing for longer usage. However, with this new directive now of the Karnataka state government following, that is in line with the centre's guidelines, we're now seeing that private hospitals have landed themselves in a limbo. More than 5 lakh vials that are likely to expire in the next 3 or 4 days are going to get wasted. And most importantly, also, this is going to cost private hospitals almost about 60 crores. Losses worth 60 crores is what they are pegging it at. And in view of this, now the private hospitals in the state have decided that they are going to be writing to the centre about this and raising this concern, because this is something that they had anticipated. And today, unfortunately, if at all these vials get wasted, if the private hospitals are unable to dispose them, it would mean a huge loss of vaccines to the state.
Yes, it would mean a huge loss of vaccines, and this wastage will have to be accounted for. It's taxpayers' money. It's a big wastage for the state of Karnataka, but the new policy will now ensure that these vials cannot be used. 5 lakh vials, therefore, will be wasted. Thanks, Neha, for joining us.